So today we're starting our awesome graffiti Banksy project, and I first want to say thank you for clicking on this video because I will show you step by step of how to copy and paste in OneNote, and there's some tricks or hacks, as we like to call them, that will really help you and save you some time. So after you've read the directions, it will tell you that you need to create a new page and that you need to title the image, or excuse me, title the page Banksy. So how we do that is we click on these three lines over here. I personally like clicking the pin because it makes sure that this doesn't go away. You'll click on your name and then you'll click plus page. As it said in the directions, we're going to write Banksy. It's always good to get in the habit of writing your name, block, and teacher at the top. This is just Mr. Patterson being weird. I always like dragging this to the top, so it's the first thing that I see. However, that's going to be up to you. So I'm going to go back to today's task. The next thing that I always like to do, this is something that when I'm working in OneNote, is I don't like clicking back and forth in between the pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, and I'm going to drag it all the way over here. And then I'm going to press Control-C, and that's going to copy it. And I go back to Banksy, click underneath Mr. Patterson's name, and Control-V. Now I have exactly what I need to write about right here, and I don't have to click back and forth. As the directions say, you need to go and click on the website, which we've opened and looked at, and you are going to need to copy and paste an image that you found. So the image that I want to look at and analyze for satire was actually this one. Where's it at? No. The one bad thing about his website is that it's always flipping back and forth. So you might have to go through and you might have to flip back and forth and just to find the image you want. But I'm going to right click here. I'm going to go copy image, and I'm going to come back here, press return twice, and then I'm going to press Control V, and that's going to paste the image, including a link. So I have the image, and then it says satire is the, so it says explain why you chose the piece, analyze the work for satire, and remember satire is the use of humor and exaggeration or ridicule to attack another person's stance or beliefs. In class, we'll use the example that Banksy is really going through, and what he's trying to do is he's trying to ridicule the fact that we, in this painting, or this kind of graffiti art, of how he's going through and people are more consumed by their phones than each other, and it's changing our way that we think about romance. So what I would do is I would type your answer down here, make sure that you answer all parts of the prompt. I promised you guys that I would no longer be singing to you or rapping. So I hope you guys enjoy this first day of the project and let me know if you have any questions.